Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the image you want is saved and sized near your screen resolution. That reduces blur. Once done, open Settings, use the Start menu or press the Windows key and type Settings, then navigate to Personalization. Make sure you're in Background, because that's where you'll choose between Picture, Solid Color, or Slideshow. This first action gets you into the right control panel, so the next steps change what your desktop shows immediately. Now pick the image. Click Browse and select your file, or add several if you want a slideshow. Once selected, choose a Fit, Fill, Fit, Stretch, Tile, Center, or Span for multi-monitor setups. To control how the image maps to pixels, this prevents distortion. You'll see an immediate preview on your desktop, so make adjustments. Rotate or crop the source image in an editor if elements are cut off, and reapply until the composition looks right. Finish by applying the change. Many systems save automatically when you close Settings, but confirm the desktop updated. For multiple screens, right-click an image in File Explorer and use Set as Desktop Background per Display to control each monitor. If the wallpaper won't change, make sure the image file isn't read-only and that you have permission to modify personalization settings. Also update display drivers. If all else fails, restore default.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.